It's one of the most beautiful seasons here in England. It's autumn. So today I thought I'd get out in the Cotswolds and get you some beautiful autumnal shots with the DJI Pocket 3. So let's go.
So if you're new to shooting on your Pocket 3 and using the D-Log M profile, you can see here on the slide over shots how grey the footage is to start out. Often very tricky to color grade, but our Pocket 3 LUTs are designed to be super easy to use. Okay, if you've used D-Log M before, you'll know the footage looks very grey, and if you've tried it out, it can be quite tricky to get that footage looking very nice. I know everyone on the internet bangs on about how great it is to use it, but if you're new to it, it's one of those tricky things to use. Do you shoot in it and then end up having shots that you can't use, or do you try using it and try to learn how to color grade? So you can see here with these slide overs just how grey the footage is to start. Often, as I say, quite tricky to color grade, but with these Pocket 3 LUTs, it's super easy to use. Just simply drag and drop. I also think what would be good to compare is, let's just show you what the footage looks like if you just drag the DJI standard LUT onto this footage, and then some of the editor's keys, more autumnal cinematic LUTs, and just show you what the difference is, how it looks. So as you can see, you can get some incredible autumn looking footage coming from your Pocket 3. They're easy, they're drag and drop, and they work with Final Cut, Premiere, CapCut, and just loads of other video editing software out there. So if you need a hand, let me know in the description below, or sorry, the comment section below. I'll answer any comments there. And if you want to grab these LUTs, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.